This video is just fraught with all kinds of things today. God. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair with this beautiful straightener that Etereauty, I think is how you say it, Etereauty, sent me. Comes in this beautiful case. And there it is. Okay. So let's take it out. Can you guys see that? There's the name right there. Sorry if you guys can hear my camera adjusting. I'm using a different lens today to film. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair with this straightener. So I usually curl my hair one of two ways, either with a traditional curling iron or with a straightener. And Etereauty sent me this. I'm probably going to be saying that name wrong the entire time. They sent me this to try out and I've been loving it so far, so I wanted to show you guys how I use it. So yeah, let's get started. First thing that I like to do when I'm going to be putting any kind of heat on my hair is using a heat protectant. This one is the Chezley one. So I've already went ahead and sprayed that all over and we're good to go to apply heat. Put this in and let it get warm, or let it get hot. So if you guys see me looking over here, that's because this is where my mirror is. And I need to be able to see what I'm doing so that I don't mess up. Alright. So we've got it plugged in. There's a little lever down here that you pop to open it up just like that. I went ahead and turned it on. Right now it says it's on low. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this button here on the side and turn it to high. So those are the buttons on the side. There is a low and high setting, and then inside you can see the little light flashing. That means it's still warming up. It's on high and that it's on. We want to turn off the, you guys can see, there's a little setting for like steam. We're going to turn that off because we're not going to be using the steam. We're going to be just using the heat. So it's so pretty. I love it. It's very sleek. And then it has the dual blades. And yeah, it's just really nice. And I like that you can lock it up too. So yeah. I'm just going to go ahead and give my hair a little brush. So you guys might be wondering why I am not going to be showing you how to straighten my hair with a straightener, but my hair is already naturally pretty straight. I washed it last night and then just let it dry on its own overnight, and this is literally how my hair dries. It dries very, very straight, so that's why I usually curl it, because I feel like when it's straight it's just so like sticks to my head, and it's just, there's no like volume to it. Alright, so I think we've given this enough time. Yes, it's very warm. It actually might be too hot on high. So I think I'm going to actually turn it down on, oh yeah, that's really hot. I'm going to actually turn it down on low. Yeah, I think I've been pretty much using it on low, but I wanted to try and see how hot it got on high. I've only used this one or two other times, but compared to the straightener that I've been using, it's way, way better. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off. I'm going to section it off into 3 sections. It's going to look kind of crazy. So I'm going to go in like this, and I'm going to put it over the hair. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to wrap it like that and roll it down. And there we go. You guys can see. And then I'm just going to take the end and straighten it. So it's got the straight little end piece. And forgive me if I'm super awkward because it's the first time I've ever filmed a hair video and I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing. Okay, so we're just gonna keep doing that. There we go. And I'm just taking different size pieces of hair. I'm not like trying to do like the same size piece every single time. I like my curls to be a little bit kind of messy, not like perfect. Alright, so we've got most of this side done. Now I'm going to just make sure I don't have any in the back that I need to do. So the last piece for this back part. Sometimes if I don't want to straighten the ends after every curl, I'll just wait until I'm done and go back and straighten the ends. So now we've gotten this side done, I'm going to go ahead and move over to this side, and I'm just going to be switching hands. So this time I'm just going to go here and wrap it this way. It's a lot harder to do it with this hand. Okay guys, so I've done the bottom part, the first section, and if I, like I said, if I go back and I see where if I see a piece like this, I'll just kind of run it back through the straightener again, just to give it a little curl and then kind of blend it in, and then I'll go back and straighten the ends. So that's just what I'm gonna do now. Like I said, I don't like the ends to be like really curly. Alright, so we've gotten this first layer done. Now I'm going to take down the second layer because I'm going to be working in 3 layers. Well, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. My main goal whenever I'm doing my hair is just getting it done as fast as possible, because your mom of 2 little kids, very little time to do anything. Like I said, it's gonna look kind of funny. And then again, I'm just gonna do the same thing and start sectioning off pieces and curling them. But we're gonna go ahead and finish the last layer, the very top layer, and I'm just gonna split it down the middle like how I normally part my hair, as you guys can see. And I'm going to start this side, just doing the same thing that I've been doing, and I'm going to not start all the way up, I'm going to start down a little bit. Alright, so now what I like to do is just kind of like run my brush through it. Just kind of like that. I just like to brush my waves out a little bit. Just kind of like fluff it up, play with it a little bit. See, I've got my bottom pieces that are straight and the curl at the top. Voila! And that is how I curl my hair with a straightener. As you can see, sometimes it can be a little bit of a pain when you're trying to do like the opposite hand. If you're like me, you're a little awkward when you're switching hands. But still, it's super easy and I love it. I've been loving this straightener. Like I said, I haven't been able to use it a whole lot just because I've been super busy, and I usually do just gravitate towards my my curling iron, like my traditional curling iron, when I want to do like some fast curls, because I can just whip them out because I've been doing it so long. But when I want to get like this kind of look like a really different, you see how much like volume it has? It's just so poofy, and you can't really, I can't get that with my curling iron. I can only get that with this straightener. So to get this really nice, poofy, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it is so shiny. Look at all that shine. And I really think that's from using, like I said, the straightener. So I don't really have any cons about this. The cord is a little thick, which makes it a little awkward sometimes. You guys seen it was probably in my face a few times. That's the only thing, but it's not like a deal breaker. It wouldn't keep me from buying it. That's the only thing, just a thick cord. But other than that, I love everything about it. I love the color. It also has this little plate here in the back. I'll show you guys that I just took off. This is where you put the water for the steam, and then to put it on, you just do like that to close it. So there you go. So it has, like I was saying, it has 2 heat settings. It has the power button. So like I was saying in the beginning of the video, you've got your high and low heat setting, and then you've got the setting for the steam. So hopefully you guys can see that. All right, so that was it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this guy up, put it back. So at this point, you could go ahead and spritz your hair with some hairspray. I don't really like using hairspray because I just don't like putting any kind of products on my face. I don't like putting any products on my hair, like to wear it down. It just, I don't know, I just don't like the feeling. It gets really heavy for me. I just kind of let it kind of do its thing. So I enjoy it when it's big, and then I enjoy it when it kind of goes down a little bit. But anyway, so yeah. And before I go, I do want to let you guys know that I have a discount code for this straightener for 30% off. I'm gonna link all that information below. Make sure that you follow the link to their website, because that's the only way that you can get the discount. So follow the link to the website, put in the discount code, and you can get 30% off this straightener today. So go pick it up, guys. I really love it. It's a super, super great straightener for the cost, and it's beautiful. I mean, who doesn't like gold, right? Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. Kisses.